Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, opening your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find this option, block numbers. Tap on block, and as you can see right here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. You can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list, we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is the list of blocked numbers, so our blacklist. We've got the number we blocked from our contacts. Here we can also tap on add a number and manually enter it to apply it to the blacklist. What is more, here we've got this option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.